Alright, next, the edge cleaning flower carpet test. Got a 2000 Oreck XL2800. You know what? I'm going to put some here right in the middle to see how that's doing. It has a brush roll that is soft, but has probably the highest bristle density I've ever experienced. The bristles are everywhere with this thing. All right, here we go. Well, that's not bad. I mean, I did put a lot of flour down. In the middle here, did a pretty good job of picking everything up. There's a little bit flour smashed on the 2x4. Not much. And there definitely is a line right down here. But I put down a lot of flour and it got most of it up. So that is a pretty good result. That just isn't that bad. Hopefully you don't have this much dirt that's, like, say, in a corner in your home next to the carpet and the wall where they meet. Yeah, that's mostly gone. There's a very light line along there. Okay, that was pretty good performance, especially since this guy here only has 53 CFM at the nozzle. But boy, it's got bristles for days.